Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can set custom ringtone or change a ringtone in your device Vivo Y22s. So if you want to change ringtone in your device or set a new one, you can do it by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we start those steps, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can change or set ringtone in your device.